If you want to confirm whether your Google Pixel 9a is original or not, so first of all, what should we do is we should open up our settings and then scroll down to our About Phone tab, and here you'll find a lot of useful information such as your EID, IMEIs. Let's copy one of them, we will need it later. Your serial numbers, your Android versions, and your build number. So grab your box and compare those numbers. If they match, it's a very good sign. There is a bigger chance that your phone is most likely legit, right? Also, do not forget to check your build number with the official latest build number on your Google. Also, go through your app drawer and locate some specific Pixel apps such as Pixel Studio and some screenshot apps which are available only on like this one, right? This is Pixel tips. These tips are available only on Google Pixel, and no other phone and fakes won't have it. So as the next point, let's go and let's check. So here's your IMEI. Now let's open up our Google and let's search for store.google. Here's our store by Google. Let's tap on our account icon and let's press on repairs. Here we gotta enter our IMEI or serial number and press search, and there we are. So we can see our Google Pixel color, the number of gigabytes, the warranty, and the IMEI number, and basically that's it. If anything is not matches with your actual phone, you may consider that your phone may be refurbished, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.